Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're out here again with the stone foundation renovation portion of our project here downtown. So as you can see, we have scraped all of the loose mortar and stone off of the interior stone foundation walls. We've already started applying our high strength concrete mortar mix to the wall. That's what we're going to be focusing on all day today, trying to get the rest of these walls mortared. We should be pretty close to having them all done by today. Might need to do a little bit more tomorrow. But once all of the walls are completely mortared from top to bottom, corner to corner, you can see we did really nice work here around the window. Once all of that mortar work is done, we'll come in here with some white dry lock waterproofing paint and really make this basement look beautiful. So we're getting very close to finally completing everything on this project. So stay tuned for these updates. These stone foundation renovation jobs are some of our favorite ones because you can really see a great before and after from before we get started, and then after the painting is applied to the mortared walls. It is a great transformation for basements like these. So I highly encourage you guys to take a look again on our YouTube and Facebook pages, King Piers LLC, for all of those video updates. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.